Hello and welcome to the overview of fixed price projects billing in the upgraded projects module. In this video, I'm going to show you the basic scenario of using progress billing and fixed price billing in projects module in Acumatica 2017 Release 2. A simple workflow is now provided for projects that are gradually billed from a fixed contract amount. Variations of this process include progress billing and fixed price billing models. On the billing rules form, the new progress billing type of a billing step has been introduced. In the invoice description formula parameter, you can specify an expression to make the system compose the document description dynamically for each invoice during the billing process. You can also specify a dynamic source of the destination branch, sales account and sales sub-account for an invoice line. Let's quickly set up a sample progress billing project and configure its tasks to be built by a progress billing rule. Progress billing does not involve allocations and can be executed right after a pending invoice amount is provisioned in a revenue budget line of a project. With the new billing rule, the project setup and billing workflow looks as follows. The user adds a revenue budget line with the revised amount to a project on the Revenue Budget tab of the projects form. To provide a billable amount, for example, on a monthly basis or on an on-demand basis, the user populates pending invoice amount or completed percent value in the revenue budget line to make the system calculate the pending invoice amount as follows. The user runs the project billing process to create a pro forma invoice or an accounts receivable invoice depending on the workflow option. The system creates the invoice with the amounts taken from the pending invoice amount column of the revenue budget lines. Invoice lines that are produced by progress billing are displayed on the Progress Billing tab of the Pro forma Invoices form in case a pro forma invoice has been generated. The system clears the pending invoice amount and updates the draft invoices amount of the revenue budget lines. As soon as an accounts receivable invoice is released, draft invoices amount is moved to actual amount. Thus, an iteration of progress billing or billing from a fixed amount has been finished. We have reached the end of the demonstration. Now you should have an idea of how fixed price projects can be built in the upgraded projects module. Thank you for watching.